Have you been searching for the perfect sports car with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2023 Chevy Corvette Stingray in Arctic White with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated and ventilated front seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 6,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, 6.2-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number 300348.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.